Okay, so I got a bunch of short kurtis from Meesho, actually quite a few. I have zero expectations. Let's see what actually showed up. Hi guys, my name is Prashasti. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are doing a super cute Meesho short kurti haul. So let's get straight into the video. The first kurti which I want to show you is the one which I'm wearing. This kurti has to be my favorite kurti out of the entire haul. That's why I've kept it to the first. So this is white in color. It has pink floral flowers, and this looks so cute with a pair of ripped jeans. You can see in the try-on part, this looks gorgeous. This just elevates your face instantly. Perfect for your college office wear. You can also pair it up with a nice jacket to make it look more nice. This is a perfect balance of your ethnic and your everyday fit. And for the price point, this is genuinely such a deal. I would totally recommend you guys to buy this one. Okay, next up is this one. So this is again a mid-length kurti, and again this is also very nice. So since I've worn them already, so this looks like this. This has these tie-up details, and it's a beautiful color for winter especially. Again, peplum style, looks very nice. The fabric is super comfortable. Makes you look very stylish, and sort of it has that baggy look which will just make you stand out, and for the color and the price it's totally worth it. So I'm going to definitely keep this one. Okay, next up is this one. This is sort of a little indigo print. I mean, obviously this is not actual indigo print, but looks like one. Again, peplum style. It has mandarin collar right here, and it's very appropriate for your office, college. Let's say if sleeveless are not allowed in your office, college, this is such a good pick. The color is fabulous. The fabric is so good. I would say very breathable, fuss-free, and very stylish at the same time. So this is actually a blend of comfort and your effortless style. Love this one. Okay, another favorite from this video has to be this kurti. I'm actually confused between this one and this one, which looks better on me. You guys can comment in the comment section down below. So this is a red kurti, and this is your not so basic print. I mean, this is very simple, but if I show it to you, look at this. If you even look at the try-on clips, the red looks, the color itself is just so pretty. It is exactly what is shown in the picture. I love the fabric. I love the print of it. These white floral flowers are all over the kurta, and this is something where you don't want to get ready and put a lot of effort, but if you just wear this, this is just going to pop out. Again, very breathable fabric. I mean, it doesn't stick to your skin and is actually very beautiful. Such a versatile piece. You can pair it with jeans, pants, plazos. It's just going to go well with everything. So a must buy from the entire haul. This one, I styled it beautifully in this video. And itna mere ko expectation nahi tha, honestly. So this is again black in color. Looks lovely. Also, one thing which I want to mention to you guys is always order a size bigger. Yeah, so coming back to this kurti, this has this V cut design on the neck. This just flatters your body type, and I personally have paired it up with like big jhumkas, and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna give this a 9 on 10. I would say super versatile. Okay, so we are left with last two kurtis now. Which one should I go first? I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, so this is a chatak pink color kurti. So I'm gonna be honest about it. I did not like it that much. Again, the fabric is great, but then the print which was shown in the website is again same, but the color is a bit different. I did not order, let's say, a hot pink color. You can actually see in the video, it doesn't flatter on my body type personally. I look a tad bit older in this for some reason. I'm going to return this for sure. I'm not going to keep this one. But again, if I had to talk about the print, the pricing, they're okay. If the color would have been a little different, let's say, then it would have still worked, because I really like this leaf pattern going on all over the print. So I'm going to have to return this one. Okay, we have finally come to the end of the video almost. We have one last kurti left. So this is again a kurti in powder blue color. Now again, if you look at it, full sleeves. Oh, sorry. If you look at it, full sleeves, has some buttons on the neck side. And on the sleeves, they've given this beautiful pattern. Overall, a decent kurti. I would keep it for sure. So this is your regular below average basic kurti from Meesho, and you just want to be on your tippy toes and you just want to be quick in the morning. I would suggest if you wear it up with a white palazzo, they will look fabulous. Again, always order a size bigger whenever you are ordering from Meesho. So keep that in mind. And again, it's a very decent basic kurti. Something which is very light and comfortable and you can wear all day long. This is that kurti, but this is not so stylish or not for any occasion. I would mention आप इसको घर में भी पहन सकते हो. So I'm gonna keep this one for my regular boring days for sure. And that's it. We have come to the end of this video. If you want the link of all these kurtis, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you guys next time.